Guyana will soon receive a boost in its COVID-19 vaccine distribution capacity with a donation from the Indian government, with India pledging the donation of 500,000 of its AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccines to the Caribbean. Guyana will be appraised of the quota it will receive in coming days. This is according to Indian High Commissioner to Guyana. The Indian High Commissioner, speaking during a virtual media briefing, assured that the 500,000 doses of vaccines for the Caribbean region will be all donations rather than commercial supplies. With Barbados and Dominica's vaccines already dispatched, the High Commissioner said the vaccines are being distributed to the regional countries on a first-come, first-served basis.
See, there is no delay. It's basically we are working on first come, first serve. The countries which asked first, they are being catered to. Then we are working on the next set of countries who have asked for their quota, because we also have a limited supply of vaccines, so we can give on a first come, first served basis. So as a region, they are working out based on the requests that have come.
He also said Monday that Guyana would also get access to more vaccines from India, particularly the highly effective Covaxin vaccine being developed by the Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech International Limited. During the virtual media engagement, the High Commissioner was joined by Director of BBIL, Saritra Ella. The details of the Covaxin vaccine has already been sent to Guyana's Ministry of Health. The health officials are now in contact with BBIL to procure vaccines. As Ella explained, with storage temperatures set at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, the vaccine is good for countries like Guyana with remote areas.
Most of our vaccines are at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade, which is very easily transportable in cold chain. We can airlift it from from Hyderabad, in the city where we are from, to any part of the country, and it reaches within 6 hours or 8 hours. Even international locations, we normally can reach under 48 hours. So this is how the temperature being very, very amenable, being 2 to 8, which is even in Africa, countries like Africa and Southeast Asian countries, this is a big challenge in the low-income countries or across the world.
An efficacy trial was recently completed on the 2 doses of Covaxin vaccine, with data expected by March. Covaxin has already received emergency use authorization in India for use by all first responders of the medical community. With 6 vaccines produced in India, the country is looking to produce some 800 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines and has already gifted some 6 million to 15 countries across the world. Guyana has also received a pledge of 22,000 vaccines from China and will procure some 104,000 through the COVAX facility and another 145,000 through CARICOM African Union Agreement. The government remains in talks with other bilateral partners and has promised that all vaccines will be administered free of charge to all Guyanese, starting with frontline workers, the elderly, and persons with comorbidities. For the newsroom, I'm Kurt Campbell.